I grab a shopping cart. I walk into the produce section. I pick out some red apples. I check the apples for bruises. I put the apples in a bag. I weigh the bag on the scale. I stick the price tag on the bag. I move to the pantry aisle. I look for my favorite cereal. I check the nutrition label. I put the cereal in the cart. I grab a carton of milk. I check the expiration date. I smell fresh bread from the bakery. I walk over to the bakery section. I choose a loaf of whole wheat bread. I see a box of chocolate chip cookies. I decide to treat myself and put them in the cart. My cart is full, so I head to the checkout counter. I stand in line and wait for my turn. I place all my items on the conveyor belt. The cashier scans my groceries one by one. I pay for my groceries using my credit card. I pack the items into my reusable bags. I take the receipt and leave the store.